Discuss preposition, how to use preposition. Preposition use, this is preposition. Preposition. Okay, how to use preposition in parts of days. Always use preposition in. We go to language in the morning, part of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the midday, part of the day. You have to use in. That's why in the morning we go to language in the morning. My father arrived in the evening. The students arrive in the morning. Part of the day we have to use in. Remember these things. Next, name of the month, season, and the year. Name of the month, season, and year. I am planning to go there in spring. In spring. Are you going to marry in Mangshir or autumn or Mangshir month or July? Are you going to marry in July? I was born in 1981. I was born in 19 blah blah blah. Yes, the name of moon, season, and year we have to use in. Alright. Name of the continent, large place, province, district, country also, not only continent, a country also. Continent and country. My friend lives in Kathmandu, large place. I live in Nepal, country. I live in Lumbini province. Lumbini province. You see, this is province. The Kathmandu district, or district, country, and province, large place, we have to use in. Dress that we wear. Dress that we wear. He looks beautiful and Daura Shurual. He looks beautiful in Daura Shurual. My father looks smart in court. You see, looks smart in court. My wife looks beautiful in red sari. Beautiful in red sari. Perfect tense in certain period of time. I will have passed master degree in 2 years. Johan will have arrived in a few weeks. I will have bought a new house. In a few weeks, I will have bought a new house. In a few weeks, in an hour, in 2 years. These are the perfect tense in certain period of time. This is the period of time. 1 year, 2 years, an hour, and in a few weeks, period of time we have to use in preposition. Preposition we have to use in. Okay, somebody, something inside the boundary. When we describe somebody and something inside the boundary, we have to use in. The students are in the classroom. The cattle are in the shade or boundary. The horses are in the stable within the boundary or camp. In this condition, we have to use in. So, the in is used in the part of the days, name of the month, season, and year, and name of the large place, country, district, province. Yes, the name of this name of the continent period, continent, province, and period in front of the dress that we wear, that we wear, dress that we wear. And perfect tense, W-A-I, that we wear. This word is the noun. Wear. That dress that we wear, it looks beautiful in Gaurasulvar, perfect tense in certain period of time, somewhere something within the boundary, we have to use it. Alright. You have to keep on your mind this word dress that we wear, perfect tense in certain period, somebody in boundary, and part of day in the morning, days, evening, month, season, and year, autumn, spring, monsoon, 1981, whatever, and last place, continent, country, district, province. We have to use the preposition in.